Hey everyone! Welcome back to Dollie'cious Cravings, your go-to channel for mouth-watering recipes and culinary adventures. Today, we're diving into a tantalizing dish that's sure to spice up your cravings. It's called Dynamite Tofu Lumpia. If you're ready to share some love in the kitchen, let's get started. Carefully slice each pepper lengthwise and remove the seeds. I suggest na magsuot kayo ng gloves to protect your hands from the burning sensation coming from the chili peppers. Place the chili peppers in water to lessen the spicy flavor in them. Let's mince the garlic and onion as well. I'm sure na magugustuhan nyo itong recipe na to. It's a flavor-packed recipe that combines the richness of tofu, the heat of chili peppers, and the crunch of golden lumpia wrappers, all rolled into one explosive bite. Finally, chop the carrot as well as our spring onion. Dynamite lumpia is another popular street food now in the Philippines. I'm sure na marami sa inyong mahilig bumili nito. Yung tokwa na ginamit ko ay nabili ko lang sa palengke kasi di ba mura lang siya compared dun sa nabibili sa supermarket. Now we can put them into a bowl. All our ingredients, minced garlic, onion, chopped spring onion, etc. As for our cheese, syempre kahit anong brand naman ay pwedeng gamitin. Let's cut the cheese into strip lengthwise, of course to be included in our filling. Now let's put our seasonings. I put some salt, pepper, and also I put magic syrup to add for additional flavor. I also add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and then mix everything well. Paghiwa-hiwalayin na natin ang ating mga lumpia wrappers. I will be needing 10 pieces of this because I have 10 stuffed chili peppers. Let's put the fillings inside and also strip of cheese. Let's place the stuffed chili peppers on the wrapper. Carefully roll the wrapper around the chili and then use a small amount of water on the edge of the wrapper to seal the lumpia. I want to take this opportunity to thank all of you for supporting me on this culinary journey. Your support means really to me and inspires me to keep bringing you delicious recipes week after week. Now we're ready to fry the dynamite lumpia. I'm using my induction cooker. Before putting the oil, make sure that your pan is already hot. Heat the oil in a pan until it's hot enough for frying. If the oil isn't hot enough, the lumpia will absorb more oil and become soggy rather than crispy. Soggy is malata in Filipino term. Syempre, ayaw naman natin nun. A hot pan helps the lumpia fry quickly, giving it the perfect crunch. Gently place the rolled lumpia in the hot oil, making sure that it's not overcrowded. Let's fry until golden and crispy. Remove the excess oil by shaking the lumpia, then place it on our kitchen towel to remove the excess oil. Serve this lumpia with your dipping sauce on the side. I just combine ketchup and mayonnaise. That's it! Enjoy your crispy dynamite lumpia. Make sure to like, hit subscribe button below, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest recipes and cooking tips. Remember, in this kitchen, it's all about spreading love and happiness through food. This is Dollie'cious Cravings again, saying no hate, just love. Thanks for watching.